How long have I not been recording? Puppy, 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 puppies! Puppy, 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 puppies! What are you guys doing? You're so good, huh? Yes. They always come when I call them. They're such good puppies. You're such good puppies. Don't take your collar. Puppies! Nice, Annie. You're a good boy, huh? You guys look all ready for bed, huh? Not so much. Pup, 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 pup. What are you doing? Are you eating my sweater? I don't think that's a good idea. What was that? I tell everybody they'll never hear the words Bullmastiff and graceful used in the same sentence. Alright, that's what the toys are for. Gracie, act graceful, please. Pick on the boys, huh? Bup, 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 bup. Little froggy, I love when they lay like that. Gracie, you are wound up tighter than a top tonight, hmm? Yes, you are. No, 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 stuffing yourself in small spaces. Come on, kiddos. What? You bump your nose, baby, huh? And you guys like that bottle, huh? I was going to say they make smaller ones, but they seem to be handling the big one just fine. There's treats in there, huh? I make treat balls for them with Jolly Balls because they're really tough, and the big dogs can chew through them eventually, but even with them it takes a really long time. You're silly. You got silly puppy zooms. What are you guys doing? Be nice. Be nice, your sister. Oh, do you see yourself, huh? You see yourself? And you think you're gorgeous, don't you, huh? Boys, boys, boys. A little Napoleon syndrome there, huh, kid? Would you quit trying to stuff yourself in that crack? Gracie, come here. Gracie, pop up. Come on. Gracie, you're not going to be able to get out. You are a stubborn... Now, see, I told you. You are a stubborn little monkey. Come on. Gracie. Pop, 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 pop. No cords. It's going to be time for bed real soon, guys. It's been a very long day. Yep, it's been a long day. And for some reason, I'm a little tired. No. Stubborn monkey. Stubborn monkey, sit with me. Don't get your head stuck. She's trying to jump over my lap. What? Don't you do it either. Sam, come on. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Careful. No, no. Whoops. All right, guys. Time for bed. Come on. Come on. I'll give you cookies before you go to bed. Pop, 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 pop. Ready? Come on, kids. Puppy, puppy. Ow, don't bump your head. Puppy, puppy, puppies. Come on. Come on, kids. Pup, 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 pup. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. That's good, puppies. Come on. Come on, puppies. Come on, babies. Pup, pup, pup. Come on, kiddos. Back in your room. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Bedtime. Let's go. Come on, kids. Come on. Come on, good girl. Come on. Good boy, Timmy. Come on, let's go. Wrong way, kiddo. I feel like a sheep herder most of the time. Come on, babies. Let's go to bed. Bedtime. Come on, Sammy. Come on. Now I gotta round them up. Say goodnight, puppies. Good night, puppies. What have you got? Fern? Hey, give me that.